welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eliza and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. And today's video is going to be about beauty. So I decided to do my nails and I did this really cool aura design because aura design is trending right now, so I wanted to give it a try because I've always wanted to do it, and especially because I just ordered the colors black and white for my gel polish because I never had those colors, so I wanted to give it a try and I am really happy with how they turned out. So if you guys want to see how I did these nails, make sure you guys keep on watching.
That's me and you, that's very simple. And it removed, okay, we through, but I ain't finished yet. Can I slide with you? Spend the night with you? Just let me write and let you drippin' from my signature. I feel like your body inspired my intentions. We left the squad hanging, it's only time with us. You know I vibe different, cause you know my mind different. Her eyes say in my room, her body saying heaven on God.
Tell me what you want, I go repeat. Tell me what you need, I go deep, deep. When I fall in love, I go deep, deep. You could copy that like it's easy. Look like you need proper. Come get this vitamin D power. Be ready to touch when I reach it. I go eat it up, I no vegan. I make that thing go wild. I go make that thing run water. I go make you sing my song. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed, in my bed. Oh na 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 na. Meeting in my bed, na 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 na. My bed. How you keep it sweet like that, like that? Not a berry peach like that, like that. Fresher than Febreze like that. I be on my knees for that. How you touch my soul like Sunday. I touch the feet different way. Everything you need, no cap. Call me when you need top top. I make that thing go wild. I go make that thing run water. I go make you sing my song. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed, in my bed. Na 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 na.
watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys get to try this design, because honestly it was really quick and easy to do this design. I definitely do recommend for you guys to try this design. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Depop, and I'll see you guys next